Stove, water overflows on the pot and it burns the glass top. What do? Leave it? No. Is it ruined? Nope. My best friend. Yes, I know it's very chemically. Don't care. Coat the area that you want cleaned generously. There's even some spots over here I'm gonna get. Yes, that generously. This is the most important part. Do not touch it until it is completely dry, at least 8 hours. I'll see you in 8 to 24 hours. We're at the next morning. It should look like this. Wet with paper towels and then wipe it up. And then the burn is all gone, but you can go one step further. Brand spanking.
The 10th video in your camera roll is the reason your parents are disappointed in you. I agree with them.
So this, I am embarrassed to say, is my keyboard. It's in desperate need of cleaning, and I questioned even showing you guys this because it's embarrassing, but here it is. So when I clean mechanical keyboards deeply, I take every key off and just don't look at this, just don't look. My cats shed a lot, and I eat a lot. Yeah, so I'm first just using compressed air to blow it all off, and then I'm going to need a lot of isopropyl alcohol. I get my trusty toothbrush, and I start brushing away, and that helped a good bit, but I still wasn't satisfied, so I moved on to Q-tips, and the Q-tips are going to help a lot because I can scrub more. Now I'm just using some soapy Windex to wipe it all down, and those are gross, and one more blow off, and I'm happy with the board. Now I'm going to clean every key individually, and it's done, finally, just like new.
Hello everyone! Finally, it is day 2 of cleaning my pool for the season. First, we had to brush up all the algae to the top of the pool so that we could scoop it into the bucket and get it out. There's Mal. This is what it looked like when we had all of the gunk actually out of the pool. Then we had to rinse it down so that we didn't slip because it is very slippery and I actually almost fell earlier and we don't want that. So this is what it looked like. When we were done rinsing, we had to do some brushing, then we rinsed that down. It's basically just a repetitive process of cleaning and rinsing and brushing. This is me taking a smoothie break, and that's kind of what it looked like. Now we drain and wait for part 3. So come back, please.
well-loved toaster oven in my house. So we usually put like tin foil over it because this is like absolutely disgusting, as you can see. I've done like vinegar and like let it sit, like vinegar and salt and like lemon juice I heard also cleans it, but nothing worked. But I was on TikTok and somebody said that this oven cleaner that my mom used to use in like the goddamn 90s would work to get this grease off. I'll just coat it. Oh, that is a very strong scent. I'm gonna leave it on for 8 hours, but I just wanted to see what the progress was, and I just dropped the paper towel, and this is already what's happening. This is just after like 20 minutes, and I just like wiped it clean to see how much would come off. I'm gonna put more on so it all comes out, but this is just absolutely insane. This is like already this clean.
Today we got a phone call that our son's daycare had a confirmed case of COVID. So now my entire family's on quarantine. A better way to spend it cleaning my entire house. So of course I'm starting off with my son's room, disinfecting everything. Don't know if I'm doing it right, but hey, I'm trying. All I did was use Cavicide wipes, bleach and water. I hate these Lego pieces. To clean each one individually. Don't we just love our kids? I have no idea why every single parent buys these. They're a pain in the ass to keep clean. My son's art station. I'm gonna make it nice for TikTok. Not that kind of mom, TikTok. But anyway, this is for the moms. This mop is to kill. Go to Amazon and buy it. Separates the clean water from the dirty water. I washed all of his sheets, of course, putting everything back. Boom, boom. At this point, I can't smell anything, but who cares? I'm a mom. Thumbs up. Bye.
How to clean your room in the easiest way possible. Start by picking up anything green or blue. Next, pick up 10 things, like literally just any 10 things. Next, pick up any shoes, paper, or anything that has to do with food. Now put 10 pieces of clothing away if you have it. Next, anything red, pink, or purple. Finish putting your clothes away. It shouldn't be too bad by now. Now make your bed. Final touches. Duet this and see if it works for you. Hello everyone, it is day 3 of cleaning my pool for the season. So everyone was asking about a power nozzle, so we brought it out, but as you can tell, it wasn't working very well. So we ended up just scrubbing and then power washing, and I have some time lapses that I will post later. And this is what it looked like when we were done. So here is some satisfying scrubbing action if you wanted more like satisfying stuff. We were so close to getting it drained, and then we finally got all of the green stuff out, and that's what it looked like. So we cut this light that broke out, and I know it looks really dangerous, but it hasn't worked in 4 years, so we just put some flex tape over it to seal it up. Then we finally busted out the power nozzle again and just did the finishing touches. So now we're done and we're filling. Come back for part 4.
How to clean your AirPods. Toothpicks, Q-tips, fun tag, alcohol, and a paper towel. Take the toothpick and remove the buildup along the edges. Next, take the fun tag, roll it into a ball, and gently push it into the grill and remove. Repeat this until all buildup is gone. Next, use a little isopropyl alcohol and a Q-tip to clean up the area. Let them dry for a few moments, and they're clean. No more buildup. Thanks so much for watching. Hit like and follow if you want to see me clean my AirPod case.